Yuma, and welcome to AoR Gaming. In this episode, I've got my hands on the Ultimagear Millennium Puzzle kit. So, let's crack it open and see if we can solve the Millennium Puzzle. Okay, here we go. We have this fantastic box. So it's got this challenging 3D puzzle of the Millennium. Good times. It's got instructions on how to build the pieces, but not the puzzle itself. Got all that. It cost me $76 before postage. So yeah, it looks like they've made some new art. I don't know if that was drawn by Kazuki Takahashi or not, but as you can see, it's Duel Monsters, so it's based off the Japanese. So let's open it up, shall we? Put it down. Okay, what have we got? So, 1, 2, 3 pieces. Assembly instructions. That's that. And ooh, ad for the gold sarcophagus. So I've pre-ordered this because I couldn't say no. And adds Demon Slayer, which I don't understand the fuss about, and Dragon Ball Z is Dragon Ball Z. Cool, available plastic model kit. Hooray! So I can store the puzzle pieces in this. So that'll be cool to check out. There we go. Okay, got that. And then finally, we've got the instruction manual. That's so cute. Fold out. They'll tell you how to... Right, this is going to be fun. Well, let's open this up and see what we've got. First off as well, I've got these fantastic nippers from the Canberra Hobby Centre. So check them out. These are only $10, so cheap, nice and little. So Canberra Hobby Centre, go check them out. They are very kind, a local business. Some cool things. I didn't have the Millennium Puzzle, but they got nippers. So check them out, Canberra Hobby Centre. And we'll have a go. I'll use this to actually... Did it do anything? There we go, that'll do. It's 1. 2, 3. Okay, now I've never done this before, so this will be fun. Where are the instructions? Part A. It's got little A's here. I'm going to do a cut together montage of this, so you don't have to watch me figure this out. So, see you in a minute. Man, they weren't lying about the puzzle pieces being confusing. Okay, that's 1 piece down. 1 piece. First piece. Woo, done. Probably a whole bunch of model kit people watching this screaming in agony that I'm probably doing it wrong. Too late, it's got to commit to the chaos. Cool. Another piece down. Next. Oh god, this piece doesn't fit. Hooray! That's 2 down. Oh god, there's so many more to go. So this one's D, A, B, C, D. And this one's going to be fairly obvious. Final one, yes! Yeah, gotcha. Now, up to my final piece. And there we have it. The final piece is done. Okay, here comes the hard part. I've actually got to build the thing. I've got so many puzzle pieces, I don't even know where to start. We know this is the front bit, and this is the side bit, top bit. Oh my god, this looks really complicated. Corner. Another corner. Let's see how any of these pieces fit together. This is going to take a while. Okay, this is the base. What looks into the base? Those two pieces fit together there. Woo! Hey, well I know these pieces go together, so that's something. I'm usually really good at puzzles. Okay, this is all I've got done so far, and it's not even staying together. So this is going to take a little bit longer than I thought. So I'm going to save you the boring bits of me trying to figure out how to do this puzzle, and I'm going to just jump to me having it finished with my final thoughts. So yeah, see you in a minute. Well, that was definitely a little bit harder than I was expecting, but here we have the final result. I'm actually quite proud of this. It's a sturdy little piece of puzzle. It definitely wasn't easy. Unfortunately, in the end, I ended up using an online walkthrough. It's just so difficult, which I appreciate in terms of the canon of the product, because it's meant to be a difficult puzzle. They could have easily just changed it to be an easy put together to make it look like the Millennium Puzzle, but I'm glad that they decided to make it difficult. So in the future, if I accidentally drop this and I want to rebuild it, I'll probably have a better crack at it, because now I know how it fits together. And when the Millennium Sarcophagus comes out, I could probably pull it apart, chuck it in there, and build it whenever I want. But for the time being, I think I'm going to keep it like this. It was a bit of a challenge to, as I said before, put it all together. It kept falling apart on me. But overall, it's a good chunky little build. I'm going to keep this next to my work desk, and I'm going to have some fun with it. So happy that I got it. And something like this I would have cherished as a kid. I probably would have hated it, trying to figure out how to fit it all together. But it's so good. I wonder if Kazuki Takahashi has one of these, because if I was him, I'd definitely want one. Well, there you go. It's the Ultimagear Millennium Puzzle kit. And yeah, if you've enjoyed this video, feel free to like, comment, and share. And if you want more Yu-Gi-Oh content, I did an unboxing of the Proplica Duel Disk, so check that out while you're here as well. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try and get to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching. What is it, Teddy Boys? Eh?